Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the parcel collect function in the Australia Post application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page, and at the parcel collect addresses section, click on the information button next to the how to use parcel collect button. And as you can see, if you swipe to the left, here will be a mini tutorial on how to use this function. And at the end, if you want to learn more, just click on the blue button, and the application will direct you to a different page where there's an even more detailed description on this function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.